Hello guys, welcome to G Automotive. This is Gaurav Advani and today we are here for the all new 2021 Honda Amaze facelift. It is available across three variants E, S and VX. It comes with 1.2 liter petrol and a 1.5 liter diesel engine paired with both manual and CVT transmissions. Today we are gonna see the top end, that is VX variant, with a new color option Meteoroid Grey. So now let us get into the video and notice all the changes that have come in the facelift. Let us start with the exterior of the car. In the front, it gets an all new front grille with chrome lines running across. You get a Honda logo in between. You also now get LED projector based headlamps with LED DRLs and a turn indicator. Underneath, LED projector based fog lamps with chrome surround. And this is how the overall front end looks. The front has been made more appealing than the previous one. Moving on to the side profile, it gets all new diamond cut alloy wheels with a tire profile of 175/65 R15. You get turn indicators placed on the ORVMs, request sensor and chrome finished exterior door handles. You also get a chrome strip running across the window. Also take a wider look at the side profile of the car. It gets an overall length of 3995 mm, width of 1695 mm and height of 1501 mm. You also get a shark fin antenna placed here. Take a look at the rear end of the car. It gets LED tail lamps with turn indicators, badging of VX, that is the top end variant with IV Tech, chrome strip with a Honda logo, badging of Amaze. You also get 4 reverse parking sensors placed on the rear bumper. Now let us open the boot. It gets a boot space of 420 liters. The boot is deep and long enough to store big trolleys inside it. There has been no change in the overall dimensions and boot space of the facelifted model. Now let us close the boot. It also gets a high mounted stop lamp here. And now take a wider look at the rear end of the car. Now let us get into the interior and notice all the changes. Now let us get into the second row seats. On the door you get controls for power window, small cubby storage, interior door handle. Now let us get into the second row seats. My height is 6'2" and the front seat is adjusted by my height, and as you can see you get a good amount of knee room and leg room on offer. That's a big plus point to the Amaze. You also get a decent amount of thigh room on offer. You do not get any AC vents for the second row seat passengers. Also now take a look at the dashboard of the car. In terms of safety, it gets 2 airbags, ABS, EBD, ESP, brake assist and a 4-star global NCAP rating. You get a halogen bulb placed just above it. You do not get any adjustable headrests at the rear, but you get a center armrest placed here with an option of dual cup holders. You get grab handles placed here on both the sides for all the seat passengers. Talking about space, can 3 people sit at the rear of the Honda Amaze? See, the car is not that wide and also the AC bump in the between is not that much significant, but 3 persons cannot sit. The best configuration could be 2 adults and a child in between. Now let us open the driver's side door. On the door you get controls for all the 4 power windows with auto up and down feature only on the driver's side, controls for ORVMs and child lock, interior door handle. A small cubby storage is provided here. Underneath, space for 1 liter bottle and some additional storage. You get the speaker placed here. Controls for headlight leveler, push start stop button, AC vent. The driver's seat comes with manual adjustment for height and reach. Talking about the seats are provided with beige colored fabric, and also the interior comes with a dual tone finish of black and beige. Now let us get into the driver's seat and notice all the changes that have come in the interior. Let us first start with the key itself. The key is provided with 3 buttons: lock, unlock and press and hold to open the boot of the car. On the other side it just gets a Honda logo. Now take a look at the instrument cluster of the car. On the left side, analog tachometer, on the right side analog speedometer and warning signals on each side with a MID in between. You can control the settings on MID by the controls provided on the steering wheel. You do not get any leather wrapped steering wheel. Controls are provided here for instrument cluster and infotainment system. You get a Honda logo here. On the left side, controls for wipers. On the right side, controls for your indicators and headlights. You get pedal shifter in the CVT transmission options. Take a look at the steering wheel. It gets a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen system, which has quite good response, but the resolution of the touchscreen system could have been better. You get shortcut buttons provided here on the right side with control for hazard light, 2 AC vents. The IRVM do not comes with the automatic dimming function, it gets a manual adjustment. 2 halogen based interior cabin lights. You get a vanity mirror placed only on the co-driver's side, and that's missing on the driver's side. You get automatic climate control in this variant. Underneath you get a 12-volt charging socket and 2 USB sockets. You also get dual cup holders placed here, CVT gearbox, manual handbrake and some storage. You also get a storage option inside the driver armrest. Take a look at the dash. Now let us open the glove box. The glove box of the car is decently sized. Now take a look at the overall dashboard of the car. There are no major changes in the interior, but overall Amaze is a good value for money package. So this was all about the new Honda Amaze facelift. Prices of Amaze start from Rs 6,32,000 and go till Rs 11,15,000 ex-showroom Delhi. Also take a look at the ARI claimed mileage figures of all the engine and transmission options. Comment down what are your thoughts on the new Amaze, and also do like, share, subscribe the channel and get notified for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.